Hi guys, it's Mrs. Fravel. How are you? I'm back. I missed you guys. I hope you had fun learning birds from Mrs. Dreyhaus. Looks like you guys learned a ton, and it was different than how I do stuff. I think I learned a few things from her. Um, on that, this week, you should be done with birds. You should have done all of the assignments for her in the birds unit. If you are not sure what that means or what you needed to do, go check Skyward. Make sure that what you did turned in got counted. Contact Miss Dreyhaus either through Canvas or on her district email to ask her any questions or to see if you need to submit anything else, okay? This week we are going to start mammals. Yay! Today is Tuesday, April 21st. So I'm going to do mammals with you guys. I'm going to keep it easy and simple because I think we're all kind of, it's a lot. This is all a lot. But I love mammals. I wish we were still in class just so I could have you guys seeing and playing with some mammals, but we'll do our best from here. Okay, so for this coming week, what do you need to do? I will show you. Okay, I want you to make sure that you are running the right direction. Every day you should check the home page. I will update this almost daily just to make sure that you know what you're supposed to be doing. This is what was posted Monday. I will change that after I finish recording this video and it will be posted there. So you should be, again, reading what you're supposed to be doing. Also on it, I will put on my office hours. I just have an open Google Meet, and I'll try to be available on that during like regular class hours. But if you need to talk to me and if you want to talk face to face, you can always just send me a message. We'll jump on Google Meet. Always email me at the Canyons District email or just send me a message through here in Canvas and I'll get it, okay? Okay, so then this week what you need to do is read all of the things. Read all of the things on the page and watch this video too. I'll leave it there. It's adorable. Okay, but then what you need to do is come over here. You see my mouse? You're going to click on the modules. I moved the mammals module to the top just so it's easy to find. And it's easiest if you just run that module from beginning to end. This week, this is what I want you to do. You are going to take a look at the class Mammalia characteristics. I am going to record another video of me lecturing along with that PowerPoint, just like if we were in class. It's like we're still there. I know you guys have missed how much I talk about things. I know you have. So you're going to listen to me again. I will keep it shorter though, I promise. And then good old-fashioned reading and questions on an article, and then your Mammalia Prezi 1. Okay, these don't have due dates on them at the moment, but they will all be due Friday this week. And then there will be a quiz posted on Friday as well for you to take. So hopefully you guys can get all that done. The quiz questions will come directly from my lecture, just so I can be sure, since I'm not making you guys do a note guide or anything, just to make sure that you are learning what mammals are. I will have you take that quiz. And then just as a preview, next week we will talk about the different groups of mammals. So we're in phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata. We are in the class Mammalia, and now we're gonna, within that class, we're gonna talk about the orders of mammals, and boy howdy, there's a lot of them. So next week I will talk about order Monotremata and order Marsupialia, and those are the weirdos in the class Mammalia. And then TBD on how we do the other orders, because usually if we were in class, you guys would be teaching each other the different orders of mammals. So I'm going to see if I can figure out how to have you guys do that again online. I don't know. We'll see. So that is what we'll do. That'll probably be it. 2 weeks of mammals. Not a lot. Not enough, but that's okay. So start here today. Start this now. Giddy up. Go do it. I miss you guys. I keep saying that. It's true. I like being home. Like, I'm one of those homebody people, but this, I I miss you guys. Anywho, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you're healthy and happy, and everybody that you love is healthy and okay. And if you need anything, please message me. Come see me on Instagram, or just jump in the Google Meet just to say hi. Even if you don't have any questions about assignments, just say hi. I miss your face. Okay? Okay. Have a good day. Have a good week. I will see you later.